topic, very hot topic, and nowadays it is the most spoken subject, that is recurrent upper respiratory tract infection and lowered immunity. So we all are talking about immunity, and we are masters of immunity. So I am speaking it in small way. The common symptoms of upper respiratory tract infection are cough, cold, fever, sneezing, headache, body ache, etc. As all of you know, because every children has gone through it. Then signs of lower immunity, रिकरेंट यूआरटीआई, पिछले तो 2-3-4 हफ्ते से वही चल रहा है, कम होता है ज्यादा होता है. दिस इज रिकरेंट यूआरटीआई with prolonged recovery time. 4 to 5 days is normal recovery time for upper respiratory tract infection. If you are not having same recovery time, your child must be having prolonged recovery time due to lowered immunity. Then infection rate, साल में 4-5 बार वही होता है. This is 4 to 5 times per year. Then easy fatigue, irritated child, and weight loss. These all are the signs of lowered immunity. So what to do for this? So preventive measure, as saw we all in 4 steps. First is to identify the problem where it is recurrent or where your child is immunosuppressed. Then identify the cause, allergies. Many times parents complain, my child get cough or cold or related to that complaints only when winter started or only when he exposed to dry, windy, dusty air. So it may be due to allergy. Then immunodepressed. Many times childhood is a very fragile stage, low immunity, then undeveloped immunity are common presentation, so immunodepressed. Continuous exposure to infection. The child going to play groups or nursery are having continuous exposures to other colleagues, and they must catch infection during that stage. Rainy winter season or seasonal changes, pollution exposure, and prakruti. Many times parent complain, my child is prone to have cough and cold. She or he always have that. So prakruti, according to prakruti, kapha prakruti will show continuous symptoms. Then preventive care by diet and lifestyle modification. Diet should be light, warm, liquid. Many times people confuse, parent forces to have hard diet during that time. It is very wrong. You should have light, warm, liquid, semi-solid diet during infective phase. Warm water for drinking. Shadangodak, Kharjuradi mantra will be helpful. Now, care by Ayurvedic way. I will divide this Ayurvedic way into 2 types, that is preventive and curative care. The preventive, best prevention for avoiding upper respiratory tract infection is nasya, that is nasal application. You have to take oil or cow ghee and you have to put drops into your nostrils. This is the best way for preventing URTI, preventing causes like allergies and continuous exposure, etc. So this is best way. Dhupan. Even you can take immunorays, that is my proprietary medicine, Sitopaladi Churna, if your child is prone to infection. 250 mg daily, once in the morning, for avoiding seasonal change related or allergy related upper respiratory tract infection. And putting Nilgiri tel to the collar to your toddler will also helpful to avoid the contagious spread of diseases during school period. So this is the preventive care. Once again, I am tracing Nase is the best way, but do not apply oil or cow ghee during infective phase. Means during your child is having runny, watery nose, then don't put it. When you are cured or as a preventive way, you can have it throughout the life. Now, for preventive purpose, this is done. Now for curative, Mahasudarshan Kadha, Bekanda Suntha Gulwell mixture, you can have it in the home and you can take daily dose of 500 mg twice a day. You can get rid of that upper respiratory tract infection and its recurrence, and you can get better immunity by this also. Then Suvarna Prashan. Suvarna Prashan is using or giving Suvarna medicated ghee to your child. It is the best way to increase immunity, hence to avoid infection. Now this is upper respiratory tract infection. Now during this corona phase also you can give nasal nasya, that is nasal application to your kiddos, and Sitopaladi churna or Suntha Gulvel Vekhanda mixture to your child, because it is already rainy season and also the corona is spreading like havoc. So have a preventive care.